Welcome back to YYD Auto, the channel where we explore the most extreme, luxurious and groundbreaking vehicles on the planet. And today, we're diving into something truly special. This is the 2026 Scania 8x8 Extreme RV Motorhome, a machine that blurs the line between a heavy-duty off-road truck and a five-star mobile residence. Designed for buyers who want absolute freedom without sacrificing comfort, this motorhome is built on Scania's legendary 8x8 platform and transformed into a rolling luxury fortress capable of crossing deserts, mountains, snowfields, and highways with equal confidence. In this video, we'll break down the exterior design, interior living space, powertrain and performance, technology, safety, pricing expectations, financial considerations, ownership costs, standout advantages, and finally, wrap things up with a clear verdict on who this extreme RV is really for. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 Scania 8x8 Extreme RV Motorhome looks every bit as intimidating as its name suggests. This is not a traditional RV that blends into campgrounds. This is a statement vehicle built to dominate terrain. The massive 8x8 stance gives it incredible road presence with oversized all-terrain tires, reinforced wheel arches, and a tall, squared-off profile that communicates durability and strength. The front fascia is unmistakably Scania, with a bold grille, advanced LED lighting, integrated off-road light bars, and a cab design borrowed directly from Scania's heavy commercial lineup. The motorhome body is seamlessly integrated with the truck chassis, featuring clean lines, rugged composite panels, roof-mounted equipment housings, and large panoramic side windows that balance toughness with modern luxury. Everything about the exterior is engineered for function, from high ground clearance to reinforced bumpers and underbody protection. Yet the overall design still feels premium and futuristic, rather than purely industrial. Moving inside to the interior, this is where the 2026 Scania 8x8 Extreme RV truly surprises people. Step into the main living area and you're greeted by a bright, modern space finished in soft, neutral tones, premium materials and intelligent lighting that makes the interior feel more like a luxury apartment than an off-road vehicle. The primary lounge area features a large, comfortable sofa with plush cushions, positioned to maximize natural light from oversized windows, while the dining table integrates seamlessly for meals, work, or relaxation. The kitchen area is fully equipped with a modern induction cooktop, integrated sink, high-end cabinetry, and concealed storage solutions that keep everything clean and uncluttered even during rough travel. Moving deeper inside, the bedroom offers a full-size bed with hotel-level bedding, ambient LED lighting, sound insulation, and overhead storage, creating a calm retreat after long days on the road. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a full shower enclosure, modern toilet system, vanity with storage, and premium finishes that feel far removed from typical RV standards. Every inch of the interior is designed to be functional, durable, and visually refined, proving that extreme capability doesn't require compromising on comfort. This is the moment where luxury takes a back seat and raw engineering takes over. Under the hood and beneath the body, the 2026 Scania 8x8 Extreme RV Motorhome delivers serious performance that sets it apart from conventional motorhomes.